love this. Love the water. Love the beach. Love the ocean. I love God's creation. I've had a good day today. Just relaxing. Experiencing just nature. Looking at the clouds. Doing much of nothing. But enjoying just time alone. I haven't fell asleep out here. So peaceful. So many hours wasted. Not wasted, but hours missed in the night. So I slept during today listening to the waves. Healing moments. Waves, streams of healing, peace, tranquility. I'm loving it. Just what I needed. Just what I needed. Do what you have to do. Allow the healing to come. Time it will. Time, I know it will.